Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best digital microscopes of 2025, the latest, most advanced, and most user-friendly options on the market right now. Whether you're a hobbyist, student, researcher, or just someone who loves exploring the microscopic world, this list has something for everyone. We've compared build quality, magnification power, display clarity, software features, and overall value to bring you the best of the best for 2025. And as always, if you want to check out any of these microscopes for yourself, all product links are listed in the description below. Now let's jump right into it. 5. Celestron LCD Digital Microscope 2. Experience science like never before with this advanced digital microscope, featuring a vibrant 3.5 inches LCD screen on a fully rotatable 180 degrees head, perfect for classrooms, group sharing, or hands-on exploration. Capture every detail with a built-in 5-megapixel camera that shoots crisp photos and smooth 30 FPS videos directly to the included 2GB SD card, making documentation effortless. With magnification up to an incredible 1600 ACE, powered by premium objective lenses and digital zoom, you'll reveal stunning microscopic worlds with ease. The precision mechanical stage and dual LED illumination ensure perfectly lit, perfectly positioned specimens every time. Connect it to any TV or monitor for big screen viewing, or take it on the go with dual power options for total flexibility. Backed by Celestron's trusted 2-year US warranty and expert support, this microscope delivers the ultimate blend of innovation, portability, and reliability. Perfect for students, hobbyists, and curious explorers alike. 4. TOMLOV TM3K-AF Max. Take your soldering, coin collecting, and precision work to the next level with the TOMLOV TM3K-AF Max autofocus digital microscope, engineered for creators, collectors, and repair pros who demand crystal clear detail. Its advanced autofocus system locks onto your subject instantly, while P1, P2 preset memory lets you return to your perfect focus height with a single tap. Capture stunning 3K images with a 38-megapixel sensor, all displayed on a vibrant 10.1-inch IPS screen for lifelike color and razor-sharp clarity. The upgraded Gen 6 flexible arm stand moves effortlessly in any direction, paired with dual gooseneck LED lighting for flawless, shadow-free illumination. Connect simultaneously to a monitor, TV, and PC with HDMI USB triple output. Perfect for teaching, live demos, or collaborative repairs. With 4x digital magnification, a heat-resistant soldering mat, and a wireless remote for hands-free control, this microscope delivers the ultimate viewing and working experience, whether you're inspecting coins, fixing PCBs, or revealing microscopic details like never before. 3. Elikliv EM4K-AF Flex. Discover the future of close-up inspection with the Elikliv EM4K-AF Flex, the world's first autofocus digital microscope designed for effortless clarity. Powered by advanced AI and a fast TOF sensor, it locks focus in under 2 seconds, even as objects move or lighting changes. Enjoy breathtaking detail with true 4K UHD video and 52-megapixel photos, displayed on a vibrant 10.1-inch IPS screen for an immersive viewing experience. Its upgraded 360-degree flex arm stand offers unmatched precision and space-saving convenience, perfect for micro-soldering, electronics repair, and coin collecting. Connect to 3 screens simultaneously via HDMI or USB for ultimate versatility. Paired with a heat-resistant 932-degree Fabry silicone soldering mat, bright ring light illumination, and a built-in rechargeable battery for on-the-go use, this microscope delivers the perfect blend of innovation, power, and portability, revealing the unseen with stunning clarity. 2. Hayve DM13. Elevate your repair bench and collecting hobby with the Hayve DM13 digital microscope, featuring a brilliant 10.1-inch IPS HD display that delivers vivid colors, wide viewing angles, and crystal clear 16-megapixel imaging. Designed for precision soldering and electronics repair, this microscope offers rock-steady performance and sharp detail that reduces eye strain and boosts accuracy on every PCB project. Coin collectors will love the upgraded 10.6-inch metal stand, built to comfortably view full $1 coins and spot hidden errors with ease. With the wireless remote control, you can capture photos, record videos, and zoom smoothly without touching the screen or risking shake. Explore every detail with 50 to 2000x magnification, perfect for coins, watch repair, and even biological samples. Connect effortlessly to Windows or Mac for larger viewing and real-time sharing, and enjoy perfect clarity with 10 adjustable LED lights, including 2 flexible gooseneck illuminators for shadow-free inspection in any environment. 1. Andonstar AD246S-M. Discover the power and versatility of the Andonstar 3-lens digital microscope, the ultimate all-purpose tool for adults, hobbyists, and young explorers alike. With 3 interchangeable lenses, you can tackle anything, from lens L for precise soldering and circuit board repairs, to lens A for viewing full coins, plants, and stones, and lens D for examining biological slides in stunning detail. Capture every microscopic moment in UHD 2160p, or connect via HDMI to a larger screen for eye-comforting, crystal-clear viewing. The upgraded Pro Boom arm stand offers exceptional flexibility and durability, perfect for high-temperature soldering environments. With up to 2000x magnification, professional measurement software, adjustable LED lighting, wireless remote control, and the ability to record photos and videos directly to the included micro SD card, this microscope truly does it all. Whether you're repairing electronics, studying biology, collecting coins, or teaching curious minds, the Andonstar kit gives you everything you need, complete with slides, accessories, and 24-hour support. Unlock a whole new world of detail with this powerful digital microscope. All right, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best digital microscopes of 2025. I hope this helped you find the perfect tool for your projects, whether you're into electronics repair, science education, or hobby exploration. If you saw something you liked, all the product links are conveniently listed in the description below. Feel free to check them out for the latest prices and details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.